Step-by-step guide on how to remove laptop screen password. Step 1. Open Settings. Click the icon setting. Second step, click Account. Third step, click Sign In Options. Fourth step, click Password. Then click Change. Now, enter the current password. Type password here. Then click Next. We can change our password here, if we want, but for this tutorial, instead of entering the password, click Next button below. Again, do not enter .password from the 3 boxes above. Then click Finish. Done. Password is already removed. If you learned from this video, please give a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated for my next video. Thank you so much for watching.